Superintendent, Dr. Sonia Dinnall, and I am so excited about being here with you today. Let's get started. The book I chose for us today is No Cats in the Library. No Cats in the Library. And it was written by Lauren Emmons. Let's begin. No Cats in the Library. Clarice was a stray cat who loved books. She couldn't understand the dark squiggly lines, but she loved looking at the pictures. One day, she stumbled upon a magical building where people went in empty-handed and came out with books. She had to get inside. I wonder what building she found. What do we call a magical building with books inside? I think you know the answer. Uh-oh. But the keeper of the books wouldn't let her. She tried to sneak in again. Look at her. I didn't even notice Clarice in the backpack. Looks like she's trying to sneak in with a school group. There go all the kids. But no luck. There's the keeper of the books. No cats in the library. Sorry. Oh, Clarice had to go. Until she noticed the book drop. Book drop. There's Clarice looking at the book drop. What do you think she's going to do with the book drop? I wonder what's going to happen next. I think you guessed it. You made that prediction. Clarice jumped up into the book drop, and look at her tumbling into the book bin. She was in. But to her dismay, all the books were full of those dark squiggly lines. There were no pictures to be found anywhere. Why are words so hard? I think she heard someone say that. At last, a book with pictures. Oh, hi, kitty cat, said the girl. You want to read together? Okay, I'll try again. Clarice had never been read to before. It was amazing. As the girl read aloud, the dark squiggly lines became words, and the words and the pictures together became stories. Oh, thank you, little kitty. You helped so much. Ready to go, baby? Mommy, I did it. I read to the kitty cat. Clarice couldn't wait to find more children to read aloud to her. Can we come back tomorrow? A read aloud cat. Such a good idea. Look at Clarice and that shadowy figure. I wonder what's going to happen. But the keeper of the books had found her. But the keeper of the book said, read aloud cats are welcome in the library. She had a change of heart. Look at Clarice. From then on, Clarice's new life in the library was wonderful. She got pets every day and met so many lovely people. She even became good friends with the keeper of the books. And best of all, every day was filled with stories. Read to our cat. I love that sign. Every day from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. The end. What a great story. So glad you joined me today. Have a wonderful day and keep reading. And I just wanted to say thank you from Springfield Public Schools to the East Forest Park Library. I know they're looking forward to you visiting them real soon.